Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So, go to the settings, Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and tap on your earbuds here. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, firstly I recommend it to perform a soft reset. So, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 5 seconds. After that, open it and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it fixed this problem, and we again have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So, near to your earbuds at the device list, tap the information icon or settings icon. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And now, if your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also enter to prank mode manually by press and hold at this connectional button for at least 3 seconds. And you will also enter prank mode, so you will see it as the device list. Now, tap on it. And we have connection. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light is turned off. It's like about 10 seconds. Now let's make it. And here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So, information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device in your Android, and after a factory reset it enters to prank mode automatically, so just tap on it, and if you have Android also click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!